Hello, viewers. It's Ify again today. Yesterday, I did two vlog, and like I was saying, I'm going to rest for a while. But something brought me out here. Please don't just mind this mark here. Some people have come and refused to go, and Dylan is dealing with them. That's why it's white like this. But why am I here today? I was going through looking at things that are on net today on YouTube, and I come across one person I subscribe to. I've been following her for a long time, African German First Lady, and how I just saw this thing, bam, notification. I saw it, a Nigerian lady in Modena died on prostitution work and all those one. I just click it to listen what happened. Lo and behold, it was Mama Gladys. She put this thing of Mama Gladys talking about it. He said this girl is Nigerian. She lives in Modena, and she just came back from Nigeria. That she died in doing prostitution on the road. According to her, she said the man that killed her said because the girl did not satisfy him, that was why he killed her. Imagine. Please, why this thing just struck me. And when I was even watching, a man called Mama Gladys. He was calling, and Mama Gladys was like cutting the call because she was making a vlog. And the guy insisted. He continued calling. So Mama Gladys have to pick the call. And the guy was like, there is no work in Italy. My wife is at the road now. Imagine, you as a man, you are in the house. You're holding child for your wife. Your child is even crying. Your wife is in the road because you said there is no work. That's why you have to be in the house, sitting down as the wife now. Then the wife as the husband going to sell her body to bring the money to you. Abba, where is the honor? Where is the dignity? Where is the husbandry? You are not a us again. You are only a boundary. The us has gone out. It's remaining the boundary. Imagine, he was not even ashamed of saying this thing. Later, a lot of people will open mouth. They will say, Nigerian guests. Okay, this is the husband now, holding child, encouraging her to go and do this. And he said there is no work in Italy. Okay, if the husband should hold that child for her, and she go and maybe do cleaning work, and they get a little money at the end of the day, if she go and do, because they want that fast money that will come. But you forget that that kind of money is even blood money. It's blood money. Sometimes you will use it to build the house safe. At the end, you will not live even in the house. I was like, just look at what he's saying. There is no work in Italy. Yes, we know that there is no work in Italy. But if you ask even that person that say there is no work in Italy, because everybody is saying there is no work in Italy, there is no work in Italy. Even when you get work in Italy, they pay you a small money, yes. But if you have your dignity intact, if you ask them now, that person that say there is no work in Italy, he has not searched for one. He hasn't. He doesn't even know where the agency for work is. Because when I was looking for work, I knew how I went around, Caritas everywhere. Before I got information, I was asking people, before I get information that you can go to Agencia, and you will register, and they will call you. You will leave your phone number with them. They will call you when there is work. Though you will not get those kind of flashy work you will get with your degrees in Nigeria. You will not get those kind of work because the language different. But you get something like badanti, we call it badanti, taking care of old woman, or taking care of children, or cleaning. If you look for, maybe you register the first person reject you, the second, the third, God, with prayer and everything, you will definitely see somebody that will take you. They don't look for this work and they say the work is not in Italy. I've seen people that are working in gelateria, Nigerians, Benin people, they work in gelateria. That's where they do gelato. You say there is no work in Italy. Yes, okay, there is no work in Italy. My sister have a document. Not that she don't have a document. Let her say, take it as an excuse that because I don't have document to work. She have a document. She's not paying nobody. Because if she's paying anybody, she wouldn't be able to go to Nigeria. Okay. Number 3, she have that money. If you have done this thing to have that money that take you to Nigeria, it's money she used to do flight. It's money she will flex in Nigeria, even if she's not flexing. To even people that will come as Auntie Anya Abia, what did you bring? You will give them something. You will not go to Nigeria empty-handed. Is that no money? She can equally take that money if she know that Italy is not good. You have gotten such a money, you move out from Italy. But no, they want to ride flashy cars. They want to build mansion. And you know, when they do all these things, they raise their shoulder, they wear all the highest marker, and when they look at you like shit. Oh, I'm so ashamed. Sometimes I pass in Castelvolturno there in Napoli. I look at our sisters in the evening. Sometimes they will be chasing the car of my husband. Like when they don't know I'm in, they will just see me and they will withdraw. What a shame. What a shame. You can do something. If there is no work, you can work hard and look for work. There is no work. When I entered this country, I work in a black lady salon, in a Nigerian person salon. She was paying me 320 euro. No. I used inside that 320 euro to pay my house rent, to buy gas, to take care of myself and buy little baby things because I will soon be delivering. She would take me to her house to clean her toilet when there is no work. I endured it because I know what I want. I don't want to go and stand on the road like a non-entity. And I come when the shop closed. There was a guy that was chasing me. Then he said, I want to help you. My sister will help you. My sister will help you to look for work. You will get a work. My sister know how to look for work for people. And I was happy. I went with him. The sister was like telling me, that was when I've already gave birth to my child. Even some people were saying, give your child to a white person, Oyibo, and Oyibo will be taking care of that child for you. Then you can go to road work. What a pity. I said, no, I will take care of my child by myself. I don't need nobody. Even if I want to work, I will go and look for that old people's work where they can take me with my child. I will be living there with my child. Then I wouldn't pay house rent. Even when they give me that money, I will be able to save it. That one back off. And when we went to that person's sister's house, you know what she told me? She said, you are beautiful enough. You have everything it takes. You have beautiful, you have the front side, you have the back side. Why are you wasting yourself? If you just go to the road, you know, they will be coming from left and right for you. Before you know, you are a millionaire. Car will not be anything to you. House, you will have it anyhow you want. I told her, hey, sister, let me go and think about it. As always, I pick race. I did not go back there again. What shall it profit a man to gain the whole world and lose his soul? A lot of people say there is no work in Italy. Have you searched for one? Even when there is no work in Italy, if you say that's the way is the way you trade, you want to trade, and you have that money, you couldn't leave that Italy. You said there is no work, and you are parading up and down as a nuisance. A lot of people are here trying to live a good life, trying to paint our country a good name, but you are busy selling yourself up and down in the name of prostitution. Now she have met her death. Should I say rest in peace or what? I know they said you don't talk bad about the dead, but They said after death comes judgment. What will she be telling God in heaven now? In the kind of the situation, in the kind of sin she died, in the kind of place she died, what will she be telling God that this is where my end met me? Oh, oh, I cry. There is no work in Italy. There is no work in Italy. You have never searched for work a day. When they even see some work for you, no, you don't want to do it. You are too big. You don't even have those university degree, oh, because a lot of them that are standing on that road prostituting, selling themselves, they don't have that degree. Even secondary school sef, some of them they did not finish. I did not go to university, yes, but at least secondary school certificate I have. Some of them they did not. Okay, you are looking for office work, abeg pack well. Everything, every time Nigeria everywhere, left and right. No work for Italy. See how that man was saying it, because no work for Italy, and you were holding a baby and your wife is standing on the road and she will bring the money and you will eat and be comfortable. May God have mercy on that guy. And a lot of you that have put your wife there for auction price, may God have mercy on you. You can say my mouth is smelling, but I'm saying my own. Since I came here from one work to the other, I know how I work and take care of my child. Please, my sister, look for something to do. Go to agency, register, look for work. If you tell them to go and do old woman work, they will say, how can I go and clean old woman nyash? You can do cleaning, you can do anything. Gather your money, go to another country as I used to say always, before you meet your doom like this one, this our sister that has died. So what will I say? I will just say, may the good Lord have mercy on her. More than this, I cannot say again. But it's a very bad thing. What has happened to her today should make anybody in this doing this kind of a thing to think twice that what will be my end tomorrow. She's looking for all the money now. Now she's dead. Even maybe she has gone to Nigeria to build house. She's not enjoying the house now again. Vanity. Busy. We are busy chasing shadow. You want to be like someone else. Be yourself. Cut your cloth. Sew your cloth according to the material you have. This is all I have to say today. It's a very big shame and a pity that she have to end this way. But that's it. I don't have much to say. Sorry, my viewers. I feel so bad for her, and I felt bad that she died this way. So, this is what I came here to say today. Do have a nice day, and God bless you for tuning in. Thanks. See you till the next one. Ciao.